way to access Microsoft Teams from anywhere is to download the Teams app to your computer's desktop. In a web browser, sign into Office.com with your Pioneer credentials. Click on the Teams icon, then the familiar Teams web client will open. Another option is to go to teams.microsoft.com/downloads. Note that this is also the address to download the Teams app for a mobile device, as well as Mac OS X, Android, and Linux versions. Most people will download the Windows 64-bit version for their PC. Along the left side of the screen and along the bottom, look for a download icon and the prompt Download App. A download will start and can take a few minutes based on your download speed. When completed, double-click on the installer menu at the bottom left. You will have to log in again with your credentials. Now you should have a desktop icon for the Windows Team app as an alternative to using the web client. Try working offline in the Windows desktop app. Read and create messages even when the internet is slow or goes out completely. Pinned chats and channels, along with previously viewed channels, will also be available while offline.